Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we will be doing the unboxing of Residential Township VTP Skylights First Residential Cluster VTP Sierra located in Baner, Sus, Pune. Looking to buy a home, but why do physical site visit? Housey brings to you the unique concept of online site visit with project unboxing videos, actual site tours, 360 building views and complete cost sheet with payment breakup. Sounds interesting, isn't it? So save the time and simplify your home buying process. Visit housey.com now. In this video, we will be discussing below points like overview, plan analysis, pros and cons and various others. So let's start. First one is project overview. Codename VTP Skylight will be constructed on 28 acres of land parcel. Project will be developed cluster-wise with first cluster that has been launched as of now named as VTP Sierra that will be constructed on 9.5 acres having 6 towers with each tower of 3-level basement plus 26 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Coming to the location part. Project is located on Western Hills, Sus Road near Bitwise Company, Baner with Mumbai-Pune-Bangalore Highway around 650 meters, D-Mart which is around 2.8 kilometers, Balewadi High Street that is 3.4 kilometers, Hinjewadi IT Park around 8 kilometers that is 10 minutes drive from the project. Coming to the amenities part, first one is internal amenities. All apartments will have smart home features like digital lock, motion sensor lights in all bathrooms, provision for more lighting, advanced security system with video door phone connected to your smartphone. Now the external amenities. Project has 50 plus luxurious amenities that are spread on 2 levels, that is on ground and podium level with likes of large amphitheater, central greens for children playing, mini golf range, ample kids play area, grand clubhouse overlooking fountain, gymnasium, indoor games, squash court, library zone, large function hall, multi-purpose court, swimming pool with jacuzzi and kids pool, and exotic palm-like pool deck. Now the parking part. Project has 3 level of basement car parking facility available. Coming to the master plan analysis. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of codename Skylights. As said, project will be launched cluster-wise. Here, you can see the first launched cluster VTP Sierra. Now let's have a look at the master plan of Sierra. This is the master plan of VTP Sierra having 6 towers with 2 BHK area ranging from 611 to 844 square feet, 3 BHK ranging from 890 to 1204 square feet usable carpet area. Also, the project will have simplex and duplex apartments. Now let's analyze the floor plan. This is the floor plan. Here you can see each floor has 8 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases. Let's have a look at some of the unit plans. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK that is 670 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK which is 844 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK which is 890 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 3 BHK which is 1109 square feet. Coming to the maintenance part. 2 BHK maintenance will be in the range of rupees 4,000 to 5,000 per month. 3 BHK maintenance will be in the range of rupees 5,000 to 7,000 per month. Now coming to the payment scheme. Here in this project, one can take a maximum loan up to 90% of the flat cost and needs to do minimum down payment of 10%. Also, builder comes with various flexi payment schemes from time to time. Also, to get the real-time cost sheet of VTP Skylight where you can choose the carpet area, floor and can get the accurate complete cost sheet with price breakup, You can click on the link mentioned in the description or visit our website housey.com. Now the possession part. Project has got a target possession of June 2024. However, RERA possession date is December 2025. Now the most interesting part, that is pros and cons. First one is pros. MLA homes. All VTP apartments are designed in MLA concept, that is maximum livable area, with each apartment having zero passage or wastage area, giving each apartment with maximum usable area. Ultra luxurious amenities. Project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with likes of grand clubhouse, swimming pool with pool decks, multi-purpose courts. So if amenities are one of your priority, then this project suits you perfectly. Varied carpet area choice. As mentioned in the plan analysis, 2 BHK area ranges from 611 to 844 square feet and 3 BHK from 890 to 1209 square feet. So whatever is your requirement, whether you are looking for little small carpet area with attractive budget or looking for large spacious apartment, VTP Sierra has varied range of choice. Now coming to the cons of the project. As such, project doesn't have any cons. The only concern is for the clients looking for early possession. As project RERA possession is December 2025, means around 4.5 years from today. So if you are looking for possession within 1 to 2 years, this project doesn't fit for you. Now coming to the builder profile. Headquartered in Pune, VTP Realty belongs to the 30-year young VTP Group. VTP Group forged its real estate division in the year 2011 with VTP Realty. They have bagged 20 plus awards and recognitions like Iconic Project of the Year VTP High Life, Developer of the Year Residential, that is non-metro, Realty Excellence Awards, International Business Excellence Awards in association with ABP News in the year 2018-2019 and various others. Some of their completed projects are VTP Urban Space NIBM, VTP Urban Nirvana Kharadi, VTP Urban Nest Undri Chowk. So everyone, this was the unboxing of Residential Township VTP Skylights First Cluster VTP Sierra located in Baner Sus, Pune. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.